Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'll be reviewing some Korean skincare and I have my very beautiful model here with me. Yes, very beautiful model here with me, my husband, to try out the products. Personally, I have been trying everything for the past 2 weeks now and I will share my experience with everything and we'll demo it on him so that we can know how the product applies. So starting off, the first product is from Tuso Wong. It is a blackhead nose pack. It is to remove blackheads and minimize the pore size. And it contains charcoal and clay. So we'll try this first on my husband. We'll be following a sequence where you can actually use the product. All these products I'm trying to use in a sequence, like starting from cleansing. So he has already cleansed his face, and then we'll go with exfoliation, which is kind of this part, which is actually extraction, and then we'll go with serum, emulsion and moisturizer. So anyways, we'll start with the nose pack first. There are 8 in here. I have already used 2 of these. We used the other day, remember, when your nose was dirty? Yes. Where is the water? So for using these nose pack, you need to wet your nose so that the actual pad can adhere to your nose. So I'll just wet his. Let me take a tissue. Oh my god. This is how the nose pack looks like. It looks like the Batman. It looks like the Batman sign. After applying it, we need to wait for 15 minutes and then we can pull it out. I have actually not I. We have already used this pack before. When the last time we used these, my nose was very clean because I regularly exfoliate my skin. But my my nose was actually, because not much came out of my nose, but his nose was so dirty. There were so many oil plugs on your nose. So let's see what happens today. I'm like really excited to see. We'll come back after 15 minutes of him trying the mask. A few minutes later, yes. And it has already been 15 minutes. And we'll remove his nose pack. It's not painful. Oh. This is so satisfying. No. This. So it did take off some of his oil plugs, I guess. But as I said, we did use this a few days ago, so I think his nose is already very clean. So this was comparatively very clean. But I do think these nose pad works. Like if you have not really focused on your pores on the nose, so you can really use this and it will be really good. Then moving on, the next one is the Bella Monster Stress Out Solution Pad. So these ones are like a calming pad for the skin. It contains, I made notes, let me read. Where is it? This product is for skin soothing and calming, and it also unclogs pores I'm reading this off the YesStyle website, and this also contains carrot seed oil, which is effective for soothing the skin and ensure clean and calming care for the skin. So this is not an exfoliating pad, it's basically like a pad to calm down your skin if you have a lot of redness or your skin is inflamed. So you can use this to kind of like सब आराम से ठंडा हो जाए उसके लिए. So I think after using this nose pad, the skin kind of gets irritated, so it's good to use this after when you do some extractions or you exfoliate using a chemical exfoliation or a physical exfoliation. So your nose looks very clean, baby, from here. I'll just go ahead and apply all of this. Stop it. Stop it, baby. And it also mentions not to use it around the eyes or on the lips, so I'll just avoid those. How do you feel? Do you feel any better? No? With the pad? No? Well, it's just a calming pad, so there's not much difference that you can feel. So moving on, the next one is the Vita B3 Source Vitamin
Sauce.
It's called Source, not sauce. Source.
Okay.
So next one is the Vita B3 Niacinamide and Arbutin Serum. It contains 10% niacinamide and 2% arbutin. This is how the packaging looks like from the inside. Now, niacinamide is like an all-rounder ingredient. It regulates oil, takes care of your pores, it helps to reduce acne, and so it is a really nice product to have in your skincare routine. And this one also contains 2% arbutin. Now, arbutin is like a skin brightening ingredient. It helps to fade acne scars and helps to, it also helps in like hyperpigmentation and remove the uneven skin tone, which is really good. Now, I have been using the niacinamide from Arbutin for like I don't know how many years, like for a very long time, and it works really well for me as well. But the thing I like better about this niacinamide is first that it contains Arbutin, so like I don't have to really worry about my acne scars that I get on my forehead. Along with that, the formulation of this product is slightly better than this one, because this one sometimes foams up on me. Like sometimes when I use directly after applying a toner, I can see like a white, almost like when you apply face wash on a dry skin, you feel that white. I almost get something like this when I use this one, but this one it does not happen, and it is a bit more moisturizing almost, I would like to say. When I use this one, I almost feel it is a bit like moisturizing, hydrating on the skin than this one. So I am really happy. I have been using this for 2 weeks and I did see my skin looking a bit brighter. Like I would use this in the night and the next morning when I wake up, I can see my skin looking not a drastic difference but slightly brighter than the day before. So this is like, out of everything I'll be showing, this is one of the must-haves. I would say that if you really want to invest in a good serum, you can do that. And he's getting bored, like I'm seeing him on the screen and he looks so bored.
Where did you open it?
On your face.
Where?
Everywhere. It is like a transparent...
Oh!
I'll wipe it. It is like a transparent serum.
Do near my eyes.
Okay, I won't do near your eyes. You guys, he actually hates skincare so much. He uses like 3 products and like that's it. Like a face wash and a toner. and a lotion. That's it. And he hates products that are sticky. You have to do like this, baby, like tap 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 your skin 10 million times so that the product gets inside the skin.
10 million times.
Yes. How do you feel? Do you feel sticky on your face? No.
Chip chip.
You feel chip chip, right? Yeah, it does feel like a very slight bit of sticky when you first apply, but it goes away after a while. You'll feel better, just wait. It's good for your skin.
Okay.
Then moving on is an emulsion. Like I have never used an emulsion before. Like I have heard about those, but I have never used them. Was very intrigued when I got this product. Like I had no idea what an emulsion is. But this one is from Pore and N. This is the anti-sebum silky emulsion. It is to tighten pores and regulate sebum production. Let me read my notes from here. Yes, that's what I have written. This product is basically So this product is really good for people who have oilier skin. I don't really have oily skin. I have combinational skin, so I used it only on my forehead because I said I have combinational skin, so I get a bit of oil on my T-zone. So my forehead kind of gets oily throughout the day. And my camera stopped recording, but anyways. So as I was saying, like my T-zone is oilier, so I use this in the morning before applying makeup, and I did feel that my skin was a slight bit less oilier by the end of the day than the regular days. Not a drastic difference, but I did feel it did keep my oils in control. It has like a soft matte finish when you apply on the face. It's not drying matte, it's just like a soft matte finish. It's really good for people who have oily skin, as I said, which he has. He has really oily skin. Let's see.
Moisturize.
Use less? Okay, I will use less. I will apply only on your one cheek.
No!
Yes. Then we can feel if you feel any difference on this cheek and that cheek. Cheek and cheek, baby.
Chicken shit.
Cheek and cheek. You think you can see some difference on like that? No. Let it dry for some time.
And much more.
Yes. Yes. We don't waste products in this household. We use everything.
What is next?
Do you feel better?
Little bit, huh? This is better.
This is
I
better.
do not like this sticky thing.
You do not like? You like the emulsion better? He does not like anything that's like very heavy or sticky or oily. He just hates it. Anyways, moving on. The next one. The next product is the Honey Glow cream from I Am From. Now, this cream is so famous. I've seen so many people talk about this cream. This is the outer packaging. This is how it looks from the inside. I'll do the YouTube thing, baby.
Oof.
I'll do the YouTube thing. This is
Okay.
this is how it looks.
Okay.
Anyways, so this is like a moisturizer which does give such a nice glow to the skin. It does contains 30.63% of honey complex, which is like a ingredient that is created by I Am From, I guess, and it does helps in wrinkle improvement and also helps in brightening. How I use this one is like I use this under my makeup. It's like a nice lightweight moisturizer. It gives a glow, so it goes really well under the makeup. I use it in the morning or when I'm wearing makeup, like I did use it today before wearing makeup. So as I said, like I really like it for under the makeup. It does give a nice glow, and let's see, I'll apply on that cheek. It's very lightweight, it's not sticky at all.
I feel it's
No, it's not sticky. Trust me. It's not non-sticky. You feel sticky? No, just wait. It's not. See, this side already feels little bit matte, right? Than before. It has like a natural scent, like. So the last product for review today is the Frudia Avocado Relief Cream. This is the outer packaging, and look at the packaging. Like, this is how the cream looks like. Like, how cute is this packaging? This cream contains 62% of avocado extract, but the main thing that I was really happy about that it has 1% of witch hazel, which is like the active ingredient in this. This is a very thick moisturizer. You cannot really use it under the makeup. It's really I won't apply it. It's really thick. It's really heavy. It is
This
almost
for hand cream?
no. It's for the face. It's almost like a sleeping mask. Like, even on the website they recommend to use it as the last step of your skincare routine. It's a really nice moisturizing balmy cream which is good for, it's really good for winters. And I've used it a couple of times because usually with really heavy thick moisturizer I always feel like it would break me out, but I have used it, it has not broken me out, so I'm like really happy about that. So yeah, with that we come to an end of our review for all these products. I will post the links for everything in the description box below. You can check them out. And I also thank YesStyle for sending me all these products. It was very generous of them. We were able to try some new products we did not have. Thank you, YesStyle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
And I also thank my husband for enduring this, because I was like, you know what, I want to wear makeup in the video. I don't want to really put all these on my face because I am wearing makeup right now. He was like, so I was like, please be the model for the video, and he agreed to that, and I'm like really thankful for that. So give this video a thumbs up just because he agreed for this. It's very difficult for me to make him agree to put stuff on his face. It's really difficult. So please do give this video a good thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.